Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default page zoom in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the right side underneath language and appearance, you want to scroll down and then go to zoom, default zoom. Click on the drop down here. If you want to make it larger than 100%, which is the default or normal zoom level, you would make it a higher value. Otherwise, you would make it a smaller value if you want to shrink the zoom level. And one other thing as well, you can adjust to zoom text only. So if you don't want to modify images, if you don't want to be zooming in and scrolling around images, and just applies to text only, not images that have text on them, but just actual like text that you can copy and paste, then you can check mark that option here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.